Welcome, travelers. I'm excited to share a comprehensive guide to exploring London, England. Today, we're focusing on the best things to do and some smart tips to make your visit both more accessible and more affordable. From must-see attractions to savvy travel hacks for getting around, I've put together a list of everything you need to navigate this vibrant city like a local. Let's explore your London adventure and discover this city's unique experiences. Last year, 2023, London welcomed around 20 million visitors, buzzing the city from the warmth and excitement of late spring to summer. However, this is also when London is most crowded and expensive, from tourist spots to flights and accommodations. To truly enjoy what London offers without the crowds, consider visiting during the shoulder months, April, May, October, and November. These months are quieter and among the driest, perfect for leisurely strolls through London's scenic streets, beautiful parks, and along the iconic River Thames. And remember, London's weather can be pretty unpredictable. While you might encounter rain any time of the year, visits from November to mid-March could even bring a touch of snow, adding a magical backdrop to your London adventure. So packing an umbrella and some warm layers is always a good idea. Let's get ready to explore London with ease and comfort. Our first tip is to use contactless payment methods or an Oyster card for an easier and more cost-effective way to get around London. Both options can save you money on fares compared to single tickets and are accepted across various transport modes, such as buses, trains, and the tube. Going cashless also streamlines spending throughout the city. Contactless cards and mobile wallets, such as Apple Pay and Google Wallet, are widely accepted in shops, taxis, and restaurants, making transactions quick and secure. Additionally, using a contactless card simplifies travel. You can tap in and out on the tube and buses, often cheaper than buying a traditional ticket. This seamless approach saves money and time, ensuring your London adventure is as smooth as possible. While enjoying the ease of contactless payments in London, consider using an RFID blocking wallet to protect your card details. These wallets block electronic pickpocketing attempts, keeping your financial information safe from thieves who might try to swipe your info remotely. It's a simple step that adds an extra layer of security to your tap-and-go convenience. When you're in London, there are countless incredible sights to see. Consider taking a river cruise to efficiently visit many of them without the hassle of navigating through traffic. This allows you to see iconic landmarks from the unique perspective of the River Thames and can be a relaxing way to take in the city. Alternatively, for a more budget-friendly option, you can use the river bus or Uber boat, both of which accept the Oyster card. These services provide a practical and scenic way to travel between significant attractions while avoiding the congestion of the streets. Make sure to steer clear of commuting hours, as the river bus is also a popular option for Londoners traveling to and from work. Opting for a river cruise in London offers a unique and efficient way to see many famous landmarks from a beautiful vantage point on the River Thames. On a river cruise, you can effortlessly catch sight of iconic attractions such as the Houses of Parliament and Big Ben, the London Eye, Tower Bridge, and the Tower of London. You'll also glide past the historic HMS Belfast and get a stunning view of the modern skyline, including the Shard. Choosing a river cruise allows you to avoid the busy streets and the often time-consuming process of traveling between each site on foot or by public transport. It's not only a time saver, but also provides a relaxed and scenic way to appreciate the architecture and grandeur of London from the water. This method of sightseeing is particularly beneficial if you're looking to cover significant attractions quickly without the hassle of navigating through traffic or crowded public transportation. Plus, it lets you capture spectacular photos from a unique perspective you wouldn't get from the streets. After enjoying a scenic river cruise, another great way to discover London is by hopping on a hop-on, hop-off bus. Much like the river cruise, this bus tour offers flexibility and a stress-free way to explore the city's major landmarks at your own pace. You can get off at any stop to delve deeper into attractions like the Tower of London and Buckingham Palace, then hop back on when ready. With audio guides in multiple languages, these buses provide engaging commentary on London's rich history. Plus, the top deck offers panoramic views that are perfect for sightseeing. Tickets usually last 24 or 48 hours, allowing you to cover a lot of ground without rushing. This makes it an excellent complement to the river cruise, giving you a comprehensive and varied perspective of the city. As you continue to navigate around London, here's another essential tip to remember, especially when using the tube. Always stand to the right on escalators. This unwritten rule helps maintain a smooth flow of foot traffic, allowing those in a hurry to pass by on the left without obstruction. This courteous practice speeds up the journey for everyone and helps prevent congestion during busy times. Observing this local custom shows respect for the fast-paced lifestyle of some Londoners and can also prevent any potential mishaps on the moving stairs. So remember, when you step onto an escalator, keep to the right and let the faster walkers breeze by on your left. Our next tip is to be mindful of the local traffic rules as you explore the must-see sights in London, especially when crossing the streets. Remember, traffic in the UK flows on the left, so always look right first, then left and right again before crossing. Utilize pedestrian crossings and pay attention to the helpful look signs painted at many crossings, indicating which direction to check first. Staying alert and cautious will ensure your sightseeing is both safe and enjoyable. Booking your tour tickets in advance is a smart move when planning your trip to London. This secures your spot on popular tours, often gives you access to better prices, and avoids the disappointment of sold-out signs, especially during busy times. Advanced bookings let you better organize your itinerary, ensuring you can fit all the attractions you want to see without last-minute scheduling conflicts. For those interested in finding the best deals, the description below the video includes a link to must-do tours with a best price guarantee. Continuing with our transport tips, while London's tube network is renowned and incredibly efficient, it's worth noting that sometimes walking can be a quicker option. Particularly for shorter journeys that span only 1 or 2 tube stops, walking gets you to your destination faster. Not to mention the added bonus of avoiding crowded train carriages. Before you hop on the tube, take a moment to check a map of London. Assess the distance to your next destination. Often the distances between stops in central London are surprisingly walkable. Walking also allows you to discover quaint streets, charming shops, and local cafes that you would miss underground. So lace up your walking shoes and consider strolling through the city's vibrant streets for some of your shorter trips. If you've got a day to spare while in London, why not take a detour and check out some unique places just a short journey from the city? Stepping away from the hustle and bustle of the capital for a day can be a brilliant way to see a different side of England. Top picks for day trips include the iconic Stonehenge, the historic university city of Oxford, the beautifully preserved Georgian town of Bath, and the regal Windsor Castle. Each of these spots offers a unique peek into the UK's rich heritage and is easily reachable within a few hours by train or bus. Whether it's the ancient mystery of Stonehenge or the royal splendor of Windsor, each trip adds a unique flavor to your travel experience, giving you memories to cherish alongside your adventures in London. I hope you enjoyed this guide to making the most of your London visit. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel insights. Your support helps us bring you more great content. Thanks for watching, and happy traveling.